Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know? Today we are going to see about important body functions in our body. Have you ever sneezed, yawned or burped and wondered, what's the point? Although they can be annoying, but bodily functions like these help to protect the body and keep it functioning normally. Sneezing is a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose. A sneeze is one of your body's first defenses against invading bacteria and bugs. When a foreign particle enters your nose, it may interact with the tiny hairs and delicate skin that line your nasal passage. Sneezing, also known as sternutation, forces water, mucus, and air from your nose with an incredible force. The sneeze can carry with it many microbes, which can spread diseases like the flu. When foreign matters such as dirt, pollen, smoke, or dust enters the nostrils, the nose may become irritated or tickled. When this happens, your body does what it needs to do to clear the nose. It causes a sneeze. When the delicate lining of your nose experiences the first tinge of a foreign substance, it sends an electric signal to your brain. This signal tells your brain that the nose needs to clear itself. The brain signals your body that it's time for a sneeze, and your body responds by preparing itself for the impending contraction. Sneezing is triggered when the mucous membranes of the nose and throat are irritated. When a cold virus infects nasal cells, the body releases its own natural inflammatory mediators, such as histamine. When released, inflammatory mediators cause the blood vessels to dilate and leak, and the mucous glands secrete fluid. This leads to the irritation that causes sneezing. Sneezing is not confined to humans or even mammals. Many animals including cats, dogs, chickens and iguanas sneeze. Sneezing happens across all species, from humans, to dogs and cats, to rabbits and rats, to just about any creature you can think of. Mammals, birds and reptiles all sneeze. Animals like fish and insects, that have different breathing mechanisms, such as gills, spiracles or other ways of obtaining oxygen, may not sneeze, but they have an equivalent type of reaction. Animals, and humans, cannot sneeze when they are asleep. If there was enough sneeze-stimulating stuff in the air, the animal would be woken up by the irritation first, and only then would they sneeze. The iguana. According to reptile experts, sneezes more often and more productively than any other animal. Everybody yawns, from unborn babies to the oldest great-grandparent. Animals do it, too. Yawning stretches the lungs and lung tissue. Stretching and yawning may be a way to flex muscles and joints, increase heart rate, and feel more awake. Yawning is a mostly involuntary process of opening the mouth and breathing in deeply, filling the lungs with air. It's a very natural response to being tired. Some yawns are short, and some last for several seconds before an open-mouthed exhale. It is a protective reflex to redistribute the oil-like substance called surfactant that helps keep lungs lubricated inside and keeps them from collapsing. So, if we didn't yawn, according to the theory, taking a deep breath would become harder and harder, and that would not be go. But there is one idea about yawning that everyone knows to be true. It seems contagious. If you yawn in class, you'll probably notice a few other people will start yawning, too. Even thinking about yawning can get you yawning. How many of you are yawning while watching this video? Our eyes are different types of glands that create tears. Some produce tears quickly but only occasionally, like when we cry. Others produce water all the time, but at a slower rate. Our eyes need to stay wet, so these glands produce tears all the time to slowly release onto our eyes. When we yawn, our face muscle contract and put pressure on the tear glands. In addition, most people close their eyes when they yawn, blocking the tear ducts that usually drain excess fluid from your eye. Therefore, when you yawn, not only do you release extra tears, But you also prevent water from being drained from your eye. Together, this means that your eyes water when you yawn. Belching is commonly known as burping. Belching or passing gas is natural and common. Excessive belching or flatus, accompanied by bloating, pain or swelling of the abdomen, can occasionally interfere with daily activities or cause embarrassment. It's your body's way of expelling excess air from your upper digestive tract. Most belching is caused by swallowing excess air. This air most often never even reaches the stomach but accumulates in the esophagus. You may swallow excess air if you eat or drink too fast, talk while you eat, chew gum, suck on hard candies, drink carbonated beverages, or smoke. Some people swallow air as a nervous habit even when they're not eating or drinking. When extra gas gets into your stomach, your body forces it back out in a burp. This can happen more if you eat or drink very quickly, or talk a lot while you are eating. Fizzy drinks can also increase burping, because you swallow the carbon dioxide in the bubbles. Soda, beer, and other carbonated beverages are bubbly and gassy. Drinking any carbonated beverage causes gas buildup in the stomach, triggers a burp, and relieves abdominal pain. And that's it, guys. Let's see some other interesting facts in the next video. Do you want to learn something new? Are you curious about stuffs? Then stay tuned. And do like, share and subscribe to Do You Know channel.